maybe here. I don't know if you can... I just made a mess. This is my second time drinking these. It says shake. And it still exploded. What the hell? Hello everyone. I am tired. I needed that coffee this morning. I went to the DMV here and I got my license and I'm tired from that. We had to wake up at I had to wake up at 4 because I wanted to make my license picture cute, because I'll show a picture right here what it was before and what it is now. So it's definitely much cuter now. Anyways, welcome. It's hot in here, and today we're gonna do a haul. Oh god, I hope that didn't show the address. Anyways, we're gonna do a haul. I've been wanting to open these so bad. So I just moved here from California, now in Oklahoma, and my weight loss journey is a constant up and down, up and down. Like I'm doing good, and then I fail. I'm doing good, and then I go back to eating bad. So now we live in apartments. We used to live in a house, and in the apartments here, it's really nice. They have like a nice little pond, and I want to start running around it with my dog. So I got a bunch of workout clothes, and also it's summer, so I also got a bunch of dresses, and I will also say why I got a bunch of dresses. So should I open the big one or the small one? I keep showing it. I'm opening the small one. Let's see. I also got a bag because I also got a bike. I got an e-bike, so I wanted to start taking that everywhere so I can start biking to work, and then I have like a bag with me because my job is like 5 minutes from here. So let's see. Excuse me. Also, yeah, I really don't know why it does that, because it literally says, give me a shake. It doesn't make sense. And then it still explodes. Those are good. These are kind of like off-brand Starbucks drink. I tried the caramel one yesterday. That one was good. This one's good too. It's vanilla. Need something to wake me up. So anyways, this is, yeah, a Shein haul. Here's my first item. Oh, this looks confusing, doesn't it? It's like a big hole. But I will wear this with some pants, and I will show after. This one's cute. This is a workout shirt right here. I'll try that on when I find some pants. This one, I believe, is a dress. So I will try this on. Oh, oh. All right. Hopefully that's a good view. Ooh. So this is cute. I'm gonna try it on right now. All right. This is a dress. Wow, I don't really wear floor length dresses because I'm so short, but this one's so cute. Front. My arms are big, so. But this is cute. I like how long it is. Definitely need to wear a cardigan with it. And a different bra, because as you can see my straps. Oh, back's not too bad. Yeah, this one's cute. Nice little summer dress. Oh my gosh. It's so hot and I'm trying on all these clothes. Anyways, here's a work outfit. This is a shirt. So I'm wearing the wrong bra with it. Of course, you're supposed to be wearing like a sports bra. Which I did get. I just forgot the shirt needed that. But yeah, these leggings are cute. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. And I get this totally matches my new workout shoes. I also got. Put them on. Hey! Stop it! Not going anywhere. These are the shoes. Wow. Wait, how do I show you? Nor my pink socks. Yeah, this is cute. On to the next outfit. Oh wait, I need to open something else. I'm gonna try on a dress because why not? This dress. I kind of don't really like this. Let me show you more. I don't know, just hooked my body kind of weird right here. I feel like it should have been more lower or something. Also, I don't know if you heard in the last clip, my dog barking. All I did was putting on shoes. He has like anxiety. And whenever like he sees me grabbing my purse or walking anywhere near the door, which is annoying because the door is like right next to the kitchen. It's like, just trying to get water. No! Hush. You don't need anything. Lay down. Lay down. But yeah, my dog has like not social anxiety, or separation anxiety. Yeah, that's the word. But yeah, I don't really like this dress, and I'm sad because it's pink and it's cute. I don't like that. It makes my boobs just look really big and makes me look square, which I'm not saying is not a flattering thing, but it makes me look pregnant, which I'm not. Don't be rude. Yeah, she makes me like, oh, that's kind of sad. That sucks. Ew, I was really hoping to like this one. Anyways, Next one. What is this? These the shorts? Oh, forgot I got these. So these are like flared leggings. I don't know which way is the front. Oh, this is the front. I am very interested to see this on me. A lot of girls like those flared leggings look. So I'm interested to see. And I wanted to wear this with a blue shirt that I got, which is somewhere. Who the hell's calling me? Oh, here's the bag. Goodness. No. Here's the bag that I mentioned. Let's look at this. Ah, cute. So I wanted to wear it. Wow, this is perfect for biking. I don't know if this will actually hold a drink, but it has a drink holder. Has, oh, that looks broken. Look at that. Well, that's Shein for you. Oh, there you go. It fixed itself. Thank God. One pocket right here. Top pocket up here. Pretty deep. And one big pocket up here. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Alright, so I've thought about it and I keep putting on stuff with the long sleeve or long pants. I'm getting so hot. I wish to show the floor. Show you the flare pants. Oh gosh, this doesn't work. Anyways. My neighbors. Here are the pants. Pretty long. They're kind of cute. Not with this shirt though. I don't know. Oh, jeez. I thought this shirt was gonna be cute with it, but it is clearly not. It is a totally different kind of blue. It needs to be with a different shirt. And a short sleeve shirt as well. This is pretty cute. This is pretty cute. I need my tan cardigan with this. This would be so cute. See, this kind of has the same shape as the pink one, but I don't know. I think it looks better because it's not like emphasizing my boobs a lot, so it doesn't make me have like big boobs. Yeah, this one's cute. Oh, I just noticed it has a zipper. I just threw it on. They're cute. Alright. So I actually want to find... This is my reptiles cage, by the way. We have it on the floor because we just moved here. We don't have like a table or anything. So hot. Anyways, there is shorts that I've been wanting to try and I want to find it in here. What the heck is this? Oh, here's a bra. Here we go. There's a sports bra. Oh. Oh, I'm putting it way too high. This one's cute. I want to try that on with... Oh, this is another sports bra. same one, different color. I think it's black. Aha! Here we go. This is one of the shorts I want to try on because I saw it. This is kind of like those shorts that were like trending on TikTok where it looks like a skirt. So I'm very interested to see how that looks on me. And let's see a shirt. What shirt should I wear with it? What is this? Oh. Sure, I'll wear this one. I think I'll wear the black one though, the black bra, not the brown one. So I'll put these all together. So this is the shirt. I love, let me put it here. I love the sports bra under. It fits amazing. I got it in an extra large, sounds amazing. The shorts, not really thought what I was gonna look like in this, which is kind of disappointing. It's supposed to look like a skirt. I don't know, it kind of looks unflattering on me, but they're soft. They're really soft. I don't know what happened there. I think my body's just not meant for it. This is, I don't know what this is, but it's cute. That's the back of it. I like the strings. Kind of disappointed. I don't know. I do love the sports bra, and this shirt is cute. Shorts, I mean, they're comfy. That's kind of really what matters, right, when you're working out. Because I could do this. I could be like, yeah, I need to work out. Not just to lose weight, just for better. No. No. Lay down. Just for happiness. I don't know words. All right, let's see what's next. But yeah, these shirts, shorts. I'm sad. Here, let me show you what they're supposed to look like. Like, look. That doesn't look like me. Does that look like That doesn't look like me. My thighs are too thick. And I got in a large. So, that's sad. Oh well. I'll still wear them because they're comfy shorts. I forgot my drink here. That doesn't get hot. All right. Oh, and then I got another bra. I'm happy I got 3 colors of these bras because they're very comfortable. Let me step away from that. The green. Sounds cute. And I got another version of their shorts in white. They're a really nice fabric. They're just like not, if you're thick, they're not for you. Unfortunately, because then, I don't know, your size just gets too thick. It doesn't look cute. Like, it's supposed to look flowy and pretty, but it doesn't. Oh, so I got another hoodie kind of thing here. Hoodie looking shirt. Let's pair that with something I haven't tried on yet. Oh dang, I got another. I forgot how many colors I got. Looks like I got like 4. Wow. That just means I'm gonna work out every day. No, I'm not. I'm gonna work out. Oh. I'm gonna work out hopefully 3 times a week. Possibly 4. We'll see. I'm gonna vlog it, so stay tuned. And I will be wearing all of these outfits. Here's a cute little shirt. I don't want to wear that. I know I had another dress. What's in this one? Oh, I see a dress. Oh, this one's long. I think I'll try this one on. Alright, so this one I'm being a little scandalous, not wearing a bra. As I was saying, this dress makes me look fat, like all of them. I just have an insecurity though. I mean, this was okay. Kind of scandalous with my titties, so I'm gonna be looking, you know, I'll put emojis. But yeah, this one's long, like the other ones. I've been wanting long dresses because I didn't really wear long. I've never worn long dresses until recently. I wore a long green dress from Target that I really liked. So ever since then, I've been wanting to try on long black dresses, or just long dresses in general. This one would be cute, like a little red lip on my hat that my fiance got me. Let me show you the hat. There's that. It's in the car. I don't want to go over there. I don't want to go out there. But yeah, this is the dress. Oh, I keep thinking there's pockets, but there's not. All right. Let's look at what's next to open. Is purple? Leon, he's just crying. You don't need anything. Oh, there's this white shirt. I don't really want to try on those shorts again because I feel sad that they don't fit me properly. But just know I will wear this with this. One of these vlogs. This, I did not know this was going to be this material. Which is kind of weird. But this is supposed to be like a workout shirt. I don't know. Maybe I'll find something to wear with this because it's supposed to be approached like that. But it's like swimsuit material. I think that's what it's called. Like it's stretchy. What else is in here? Ooh, so like I said, I wanted to start running. I also wanted to start running with my dog that you keep hearing crying non-stop. Leon. He's just staring at me. So I got this, which I think I will try out with one of my outfits in this video. So I wrap this like on my waist. God, I keep hitting that. Oh, this is so short. Anyways, I wrap this around my waist like this, and then here's a little thing. So you, hey, calm down. All I hear was horns. This, so he runs with me. But that'd be fun because I want to run with him. And I also got him these. Was that it for all the clothes? Kind of looks like it. So I just have like 2 shirts. Oh, I got a black version too. Now I'm really sad that I got these shorts. I'm gonna wear one of them. I'm gonna wear the black ones. I'm gonna wear it with this hoodie shirt. And then we're gonna go outside and try this thing out. Alright, I don't know what happened here. I think those blue shorts were just really tight. Because look at these ones. They look more loose. And I know I pulled up the other one really high. But I swear that one was like, see how high this one goes compared to the other one? I don't know if I put it side by side, but this one's like much more looser on me and actually looks like how it's supposed to look. So now that makes me have high hopes. And I wonder what the white one looks like now. But yeah, this one's a cute workout fit. This one's really cute. It has pockets right here. I love these shorts. I like how much looser they are compared to the blue one. So I'm sad that those ones didn't work out. But yeah, cute. There we go. Here he is. This is my dog. He's been on other videos. He's cute. Alright, buddy, which one do you want to try on first? You want blue? Looks like he... Oh, or you want black? Blue or black? Blue. Got it. Alright, come on. Leon. Oh, he's looking at our lizard. Leon, come here. Leon. Here. Hey. Look at me. He's smelling around. Leon. Hey. Come here. Hey, listen. Can you sit for me? No? You want to lay down? Babe. Well, you didn't say anything. Leon, come here. Leon. He is currently getting pets by my fiance. Leon, come here. This is a try-on haul. Goodness. Hey, sit. Hello? Why aren't you listening? Sit. Leon. Sit. Please. Why do you keep laying down? Anyways. Hey, nope. Come on, let me put this on you. Dang. She's laying down. Come on, we gotta show them what your outfit looks like, buddy. Come on. Hey! It's biting my string. Ow! Leon. Leon. Look at this guy. Leon, I'm trying to show your fit. Goodness, this guy. Leon, please. Leon, sit. Why do you lay down? No. No. Why are you like this? Hey, sit. Can you sit? He just wants to lay down. Anyways, this is the blue bandana on him. He has a gold chain too, but it's not showing because of the blue bandana. Oh, there you go. It matches my shoes, which is kind of cool. My running shoes. It's like connected to my waist, and it's like a tether.
Show it on your waist again.
This little buckle.
That's cool.
It's a tether, so... Hey, don't drink that.
Drink it on the green water.
I know. Tether, so... Like he did, just go a little bit faster than me. Yeah.
Why is he running so poorly today?
I don't know. This was not the greatest purchase.
He needs to practice. He needs to practice.
Yeah, he needs some practice, but I mean it works.
Yeah, and it matches the shoes nicely. So what do you rate the belt?
I rated it 10 out of 10, but I rate Leon a 5 out of 10
I know.
for tripping me how many times. Come on.
Why not?